Today I'm taking a look at two brand new products from Corsair that were recently announced at Computex. Both products were sent to me by Corsair as part of the Corsair Insider program. First up is the Corsair 3500X. The 3500X is a mid-tower case featuring wraparound glass view with removable front and side panels. The case is compatible with ITX, MATX, ATX and EATX motherboards. The case is available in black and in white, which you see here. Both colours come in three different configurations. An IQ Link version which includes three pre-installed RS120 ARGB fans and an IQ System Link hub. An ARGB version which comes with three RS120 ARGB fans and a base version which doesn't include any fans. The version I was sent didn't include any pre-installed fans, however Corsair did send me 7 of their new RS120 ARGB fans, which I'll be taking a look at later on in the video. Just like recent offerings from Corsair like the 2500 and 6500 series of cases, the 3500X features support for ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero reverse connection motherboards. All panels in the 6500X feature toolless removal. A large mesh dust filter at the bottom is easily removed from the front, and both the back and the top panels also feature removable magnetic filters. The 3500X is the first in Corsair's lineup to feature its new tri-wing type design, which can be seen throughout the case, providing plenty of ventilation. Front panel connections include a unified front panel connector for the power and reset switches, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio for the combined headphone and microphone jack. For storage support, a bracket is located behind the motherboard tray. The bracket allows you to mount two 3.5-inch hard disk drives and two 2.5-inch SSDs at the same time. Maximum power supply length is 180mm, and the case has plenty of room to support Corsair's own shift range power supplies. Within the included case accessories box, we can find an assortment of screws, including longer fan screws to attach fans to the bottom of the case, standoffs for vertically mounting a GPU riser cable, and an adapter for the front panel connections for use with motherboards that have non-standard front panel connections on them. No quick turn fan screws included this time, unfortunately. Cooling wise, the case can accommodate 12 120mm fans, 3 at the top, 3 at the side, 1 on the rear and 3 at the bottom, 2 of which are placed on the power supply shroud. For 140mm fans, it is possible to fit 2 at the top, another 2 at the side, and an additional 140mm fan at the bottom of the case, making a total of 5. As for radiators, it is possible to fit either 280mm or 360mm radiators in both the top and side locations. Additionally, there is room at the rear for a 120mm radiator. The rear PCIe slots can be removed and rotated to enable the GPU to be vertically mounted. A riser cable is not included in the box. The riser can be placed in one of 2 positions depending on the thickness of the GPU. This allows plenty of space between the card and the side panel for airflow. Next up, we have the new RS120 ARGB fans. These fans are designed to connect directly to the motherboard and do not require a Corsair hub or IQ. They are 4-pin PWM and daisy chained together, making cable management a lot easier. The fans come in black or white and feature magnetic dome bearings and are fitted with air glide fan blades to help concentrate the airflow. I'll now do a build with the RS120s and the 3500X so you can see how they look together. For the components, I'll be using the MSI B550 Tomahawk, the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, 32GB of Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB, and the Asus TUF 4080 Super. For CPU cooling, I'll be using the Corsair A115 to demonstrate how a large CPU cooler can fit into the 3500X.